Listen carefully to the audio. Keep the 3 questions in mind and answer them after listening. 2 hidden extra questions will appear at the end. Don't miss a single line while listening. Questions to keep in mind. What made Lucas jump out of bed quickly? What did Lucas eat for breakfast? What subject was Lucas's project about? Now let's listen to the passage.
The alarm buzzed loudly, and Lucas jumped out of bed, knowing he couldn't waste a minute. From the kitchen came his mother's voice. "Hurry up, Lucas! The bus will be here any moment." He quickly dressed, packed his notebooks and stationery, and rushed to the dining table. Breakfast was waiting, a warm chocolate pancake, his favorite treat. As he ate, his mother handed him the lunch bag and reminded him about his math project, Shapes Around Us. Lucas nodded, grabbed the project carefully, and slipped on his shoes. One glance at the clock told him it was nearly 7:30. Heart racing, he ran to the gate just as the yellow bus honked. "Bye, Mom," he called, waving eagerly. She waved back with pride as the bus drove off. Lucas smiled, ready to begin another bright and busy school day.
What made Lucas jump out of bed quickly? The loud alarm made Lucas jump out of bed quickly. What did Lucas eat for breakfast? Lucas ate a warm chocolate pancake for breakfast. What subject was Lucas's project about? Lucas's project was about math. Let's move on to the hidden extra questions. What time was the bus expected to arrive? Was Lucas late for the bus? What time was the bus expected to arrive? The bus was expected to arrive at 7:30. Was Lucas late for the bus?
No, Lucas reached the gate just in time as the bus honked outside.